Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to watch DAZN from anywhere. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To watch DAZN from anywhere, countries where it's not officially available, what you can do first is head over and open up your app store. Then once you're inside, on the search bar simply type in DAZN, then look for an app icon like this on your search list and then simply tap on it. Now once you're inside, you'll be getting the get button. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now, once you have downloaded the app, all you gotta do is tap on open, and once you open up the app here, if you don't have an account, simply create a new account and then log into your account, or if you have an account, simply log in with the credentials to the DAZN account. Then once logged in, here you will be provided with a bunch of videos that you want to watch, or you can just simply tap on the search icon on the bottom top and then search for the sports that you want to watch. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.